Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. A friend also for Kofi Boating, Evangelist Kofi Boating. And any preaching. Na ya semu edika. Yenim se coronavirus by o mampani President Anado, His Excellency. Wabɔ ne ho mmɔden de ɔbɛyɛ bi a wɔyɛ de aboa sɛ yadeɛ no bi nsi Ghana ɛmɛkyekyere ne nkuye. Yɛbɔ Nana aba so, yɛbɔ President aba so, yɛbɔ ne napamfoɔ n'aba so. Obi biara a contribute one way or the other, the security persons, any doctors, any drivers, obi biara a contribute one more achebi and any other. Nyame nhyira obi biara. Nyame enti nanim kyerɛ mo, mo ayɛ adwuma papa. Na mmom no se meka saa asɛm we wi a na me pese me sensi so sɛ menya politician menya party bia menya NPP ni na menya NDC ni menya CPP ni ɛna menya gum ni me yosofo Kofi Boating evangelist ti me nkasa ma party bia ɛna there is no way nso a me didi President Anado atem anase meka setia no one oyɛ me nana oyɛ me papa. Two, or a Ghana president, or Bobra or Brabon me mobi, in fear what did me nibi, obey me a woman. Etino, me Bible so say, Mamma Cassentia penny, and that traditional we created tea and Chelsea and Cassentia penny for. Etime, there is no way I make Cassentia penny. Nemum, Christopher Binomo, so called Christians now. Omode party MPP, CPP in Tadi na wo kasem bi na o criticize e bi a aneme bi a ekoso a won tie ase na omo nyabutre ntie ne wo ka no mbete ase na omo be hye omo MPP atade na omo de be attack we say wo kaseti aban bi no omo nye careful. They must be very 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 careful. Hwe Paul ni Peter mokoma the church mumu Christians parties na mokoma won ene obi betimi akaseti ya Methodist obi betimi akaseti ya Pentecost unhu obi biara obesole akoma Methodist ana Pentecost ma obi kaseti MPP anase on kire na adwenfa MPP anase NDC ho you see say enipo ti Pentecost mo ti Methodist mu ebesole attack wo mo de monkoso nya saa na urade be bu mo atem akoma ese mo fight ma the church na nye party sem afei medi we na si hono no ensem bi dika kire madwen ese mbusa now coronavirus yenim say yale a ehu pa etino abana bon ho modern yekum nipa ye nyina nso modern mo na abana bon amaye ne yepe ba enu nyina mu ne niam bi kire adwen me kasafa church na ye makwan say ye nhia no eno na me de me kasafa ho me nkasa mankramufo etu obi be kasa na religious activity me nya kramuni ti me nkasa makramuni omo nso sole no omo nkasa ba me de me kasa si Christian now me busa se eno na no na nka me hwe se madwen mu no na me hwe se mati bibi se ana president emma directives bi about the church ekwan a yenso yemfa so ne yenhia nanso mantene saa ya regulate market say market no yebimo yewo ene friend say saa do pro track bi aba market ebimo ekura green card yellow card red card one more time omoko na omotete omontem social distance ni ade ene na omodi yi adwuma market now si yetimi regulate market ya enti church no so yentimi regulate yen eno ne asem a busa se market timi regulate ya na me question busa say marketplace any church ehifo na discipline ye ka se discipline pa ehifo na abenya kokantamanto kohwe se ko marketplace church ya ye discipline ye ba ya hihie nkonwa ye tenase ye tie nyame asem ye to ye nwum ene kantamanto ne alogruchi no ne ade kageti ya no ehifo na ye discipline ehifo pa na ye discipline enti yentimi regulate the church now ede na esie coronavirus ni yenya aduro but at least your preventive measures ye wohoro yensa ye the hand sanitizer ye yensa ye the nose mask ye yesema yenchiechia yesi yenye social distancing enti saa nneɛma we nyinaa no enti sɛ aban no ka kyerɛ church ne sɛ munya saa nneɛma we mfa nhyia enti enye yi ana ontimi regulate yɛn ontimi ma yɛ sizable number bi sɛ bia munhyia 25 na montete montemte ba ne saa yɛbɛkɔ asɔle ebia 2 or 3 times anaasɛ sɛn enti ɛno no enye yi ana eniti na ban akata na ni abu nneɛma bi so na ɛno ne ade a ɛkyere madwen a mebisa questions. Now, who is speaking on behalf of the church at the presidency? Who is speaking on behalf of the church at the presidency? When ekasa wo your Christian Council, your Catholic Bishop Conference, your Pentecostal one, your charismatic one, enti wo mu nyina enti wo mu hu ye. Nie aniema kwa solid name enti wo mu pe. Enti wo mu nkasa mayen. Na se ye kasa no bia be kasa ya attack wo ana ye kasa tia wo. Enti wo mu hu. Uka Job, the book of Job, chapter 32, the verse 9. Mamen kanjiro. Job chapter 32, the verse 9. Or say, it is not only the wise, it is not only the old who are wise, not only the aged who understand what is right. And sometimes, you know, and young penny phone kwan in him yansum. And penny phone see any pa almost of phone. And then young penny phone kwan in whom the umber can be aye, almost any palm phone. And this a Catholic Bishop Conference and penny phone of 1 morning Casayeno. And she said, Omo yeno, Ebiana correct. The majority are saying, the air can say, the main can say, Yama quine, Ama, marketplaces, transport, your regularity at Chrom Dominanye. Okay, even funeral crana, yes, yen, funeral cry, yes, yen. Yachile say, Nipa 25 bet me a funeral. You bet me a kujina only at me about the near Kusi, Yachrom no money. And the church, you know, yet and who here. We are not respected. And as I say, me my dream me say, sa yade ya aben. Obonsama feni pebiso. Ade akoshe yade na chi no dey attack the church or they persecute the church. Sa na me my dream me. Enipa bi nam sa yade so persecute the church. But empanifo no nso ehunu ye. Eno na mkoka obi be ka say o attack wo. Me ni di obi atem. But I don't get it. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Say yentimi emma. Now, let me tell you, you were prayer warriors, you were mekuo, you were kwa. And this a kuon kiti anonsuno. Yamuntimi shia was solid them meetings. I will be munchire because I don't get it. Uko jina so them one abechu. So there is no directive. A fat church no. And I nim time on swa ya bani say indefinite whatever. What I say, it in ye nim say na so china and I be ye p. In fact, I don't think say motiti a fail. What I say, that is all I think. It you know me busa say bibien wa aban betimi ayafasa this situation. Et the church in your basolia yentimi wo horo yensa. Church in your basolia yentimi emfa hand sanitizer nyi yensa. Church in your basolia yentimi she nose mask. Church in your basolia yentimi nye social distancing. Church in your basolia yentimi emfa yensemu enwa yebeka se yenchiechi ana. Why are you banning the church? I don't know what can be montiasia. I don't get it. I don't get it. Mo mane nye say this is persecution and I say a attack be on the church. Mo mane nye sa menkasa sa na tie. Ba mo mane nye sa. Empanifo no a omugusu asofo empanifo no ye papa no no. Mo nkasa. Mo anka ye be kasa. Se mo ankasa ma yen ye be kasa. Eti mo nkasa. Mo nkasa. O de mechire no. Ekwan a church ni nam no, ye de church ni fam no enye fair. Now, you say, Bible, Omumwa and can't say me and Sum Yami. Baby, Benu and Abbas and Bishia, any ade, Yankupon and Tienshe Babina. Who told you? Yam penny for no Catholic Bishop Conference, penny for no one. Omo Beji Dian, Efiri to am be gidi Ghana ha no ala no mo antene fie no mo anya asole ofie na o mo sisi asodan kakra o mo ala enti no mo kwa asole bom o de me kire no enti se bibi o hono mo o mo be kame ate a o mo nkame ente o mo nkame ente enkoye se mo persecute the church indirectly o mo nkane ente what do say mo ankasa ye be kasa ene ma hadwen me yosofo me kasa ma me ho as a Christian me kasa ma the area me so me operating and we are expecting the Christian councils ne ade ne se omo so nkasa omo ne aba ne hia no omo so nkasa yanso ye nipa o yanso ye nipa mo ma directives ye de be ye adwuma we are more disciplined ebia ensole ne kakra bi omo ye loud na mote omo nka no e na mo fense omo nye discipline but we are more disciplined. We are more disciplined. My directives ya ibedi so. Enti mo nso mo nwene asafo no ho. Mo nwene ye ho. Who is speaking on behalf of the church? What do I say? Who is speaking on behalf of the church? Ye ka say ansem ya. No bi asole no abase udidi mpanifo atem. Why they did mpanifo atem? No bi ase no quotation. Say for any ma authorities. We respect you. We respect the government. I respect the government. Anything of them and she share by me di so. And they say ya do aka nyina so me di so. I respect the government. Me mu she share no so. I respect the authorities. But any money being koyi ese me kire madwen. Ese me kire madwen. What do I say? Any man enkoyi wo me field na ese me kire madwen. It is a field being so ntia so no so kire na dwen. What do I say? As a church na mo persecute no. This is a look like attack on the church and as a religion. But emwa omo fam kwa dwindwim na omo meka bibi nso nkire ye anya saa emre ne beso ade ase enche na mo ba bepe vote ye nyina ye to aba enche na mo bepe vote ye nyina nso ye to aba ade ase eti mo nwene ho power na ye de amam very good mo be san ba be sese ye nsan fa mam eti de mo ye bia no mo nwene ho anya saa enema ha nipa asofo bebre su akristofo bebre su wo na member for asofo wan cancel no hwe wo na member for asofo president yan cancel no hwe e kwa odi asole ne fasole de enye masa enipa bebre wo problem wo enipa bebre tu aba no so wo problem eti monwene ho ye cancel mpa kire mo a ebia na obi gina baabi no akohye party atade na oba atake wo me mo atake me kura mfa me ho de me twa ase mo pekwa bi mfa sole ne mfa so enne mo pekwa bi de otie me bia se mo share sa video we obi an share e kusa ko se beduru apam ho mo share obi a wotie me bia support bi a share ne nkoduru presidency ho omo nkasa because come dey asole ne mfa so na nye omo maye kwan yenkasi ye begum yo omo regulate the church the activities omo regulate here omo my directives ebi ayo so 25 people ba montete montem munye say what dey say police for around omo betimi akọ Sundays omo betimi akọ run ahwe said enhihye na omo de ama ye disu anase ye niso but nobody is speaking. You are compromising. Nobody is speaking in the name of the coronavirus. Adentine bimo ya regulate bimo